Hello everyone, I was in Target today and I saw the cutest My Little Pony thing ever. Here it is, and I figured I would open it on camera for you all. It is the Cutie Mark Crew Sparkly Sweets. Here is the back of the box. Hopefully you can see that okay. I never know. I never know. Alright, well, I hate to tear this off the back card, but it's really hard getting it off. I've done it before where I've taken a razor blade and just like, but I don't feel like doing that today. Okay. So this is the main 6, M-A-N-E. Isn't that cute? Alright. Oh, you can't see it. You can't see it, man. Here comes Rainbow Dash. Wow, these are hard to get out. Oh. Hello there. I just watched the footage that I shot and saw that most of the ponies were not in focus when I was showing them to you. I think that's because my camera was focusing on SpongeBob's face the whole time. So I'm going to cut in footage that I'm going to shoot right now of close-ups of the ponies and their accessories in focus. So here we go. Wow. Okay. So Rainbow Dash. Oh my goodness. So adorable. She comes in a little container of popcorn. So she sits in there. Oh my goodness. I don't know if there's like, if they can just sit either way, but anyway, that's how she looks in her little box of popcorn. Oh my goodness. All right. So we got Rainbow Dash. Ooh. They really secure these in. Oh my goodness, I feel like I'm gonna break it. The people, these other YouTubers that do this make it look so easy. Ah, okay. All right, Pinkie Pie. She comes in a little ice cream cone. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is the ice cream cone. goodness. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, there we go. That did it. Oh, holy crap. Okay. Hasbro, what are you doing to me? All right, here's Rarity. She comes in a little ice cream sandwich. She doesn't like totally fit in there right unless I'm doing something wrong. All right, I guess she does. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh my god, it's like giving birth. That's what I imagine giving birth is like. Not really, but it is okay. Okay. So we have Applejack. So cute. She has a little hat. This is like a pie. Oh, it's an apple pie. I'm pretty sure it's an apple pie. This one's easy. Okay. Fluttershy. I think she might be my favorite pony. She's so sweet. She comes in a pastry. Twilight Sparkle. She has a little ice cream sundae. I love the cherry. That is so cute. Okay. And this is Spike. He comes in a popsicle. Dun, dun, dun. Princess Celestia. Oh my goodness. She is gorgeous. Can you see the sparkles in her hair? Oh my goodness. So she comes in a cupcake. There we go. So that's everybody. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Take care.